Sige, ma'am. Dayon. Itong low?
Ang low kay competitive.
Mm.
Then ang isa kay feels
Does not
empathy.
care about other.
Oo, ang low. Then ang kuan,
Export na lang ako bigla.
murag Chucky. Tapos kuan, ang isa kay neuroticism is emotional stability. So if high siya, taas siya og emotions. So dali siya mas stress.
Oo.
Ang low is kalma siya. Mas kalma siya.
Nabi ka
Not
siya
easily
mabalaka.
stressed. Yan na yan. Dili na po ta sa listening skills.
Mayroon pa tayo isa kapapil namin.
Ayun na.
Ano pang ako eh?
Gamay naman ni Tarara eh. Kanira siya ang listening skills.
Listening skills. Saan yung listening skills about? Ay, pag-eskwela day.
What is listening? Ability to receive.
Ability
Receive,
to receive.
understand, interpret,
Okay, word ano?
understand to spoken messages. Understand. So, dili lang siya, it's not just panang hearing, magod kay ability to read. Nakadungog ka, ang listening is nakasabot ka.
Understand what is
Ability to
being
receive,
heard.
understand. Paano siya dahil? Receive, understand, interpret, and respond.
Kasabot siya sa iyang gipaminaw.
And respond.
Ang hearing,
Hearing is just
Kanang objection,
nakadungog
Your Honor?
lang ka ability. Perceive sound only. Nakadungog lang.
ability
Perceive,
to perceive sound.
only. Naanay types of listening types. Number 1,
Types of
actively listening.
listening.
Actively
Active listening.
This happens when a person dili kay ko kuan ay dili kay ko mahilig dili kay ko ganahan og mga assessment na objective. Mas ganahan mas prefer na ko ang kuan subjective. No? Oh, literal na against the light. Kami dito.
Delete na, di man. Sadyang nagdala ng juga green light ko.
Pero tignan mo dito against the light. Hindi.
Sa'yo na sa active
Yan
listening,
ay
girl.
active listening kay this happens when a person fully concentrate and responds to the speaker. So, kung ka na, minaw jud kag ayo day. Then, nag-respond ka. Actively, butang dara, person fully concentrate and respond to the speaker. Concentrate happens when a person
And respond.
concentrate and responds to the speaker. Number 2 din. Critical listening.
So, again na sa critical listening.
Involves analyzing, evaluating information before accepting it. Kung ang actively kay naminaw ka na, respond ka, dahil sa critical is naminaw ka, pero imong sang i-analyze, ang imong ipaminaw kung tuo ba ka or dili. Ano siya? Analyzing and evaluating information. Analyzing information before accepting. Accepting. Number 3. Wala ka.
Kaya siya.
Empathetic.